Hi, I'm Walter. I'm the team lead for the IPS Signature Development Team. It is Tuesday, September 13th, and surprise, Patch Tuesday's here again. And there was a little bit of early disclosure last week. Some of the detail of the bulletins slipped out, but all that information's been pulled and the release is going off at its regularly scheduled time. So let's take a look at that, shall we? We've got 5 bulletins this month around. They cover 15 different CVEs. All of these bulletins are rated important. 2 of the bulletins are Windows related, the other 3 are Office. Let's jump right in. We've got MS11-070. This is the Wins vulnerability. Could allow for an elevation of privilege. The bulletin covers 1 CVE. MS11-071, the vulnerability in this display planning extension. Remote code execution is possible. It does cover, the bulletin covers 1 CVE. Kicker here is that this has been publicly disclosed. MS11-072, these are the Excel vulnerabilities. Remote code execution is possible. The bulletin itself covers 5 different CVEs. It's a pretty extensive array of affected products, so take a look at that. And overall, don't open suspicious or unexpected files. MS11-073, this is the vulnerability in Microsoft Office. Could allow for remote code execution. Bulletin covers 2 different CVEs. I'll call out CVE 2011-1980. It's the DLL load vulnerability. Again, here the malicious DLL could be loaded from a remote or a shared directory when opening the file. So once again, be wary and suspicious of unexpected files, especially if you're loading them from some remote location. And bringing up the end here, we've got MS11-074, the vulnerabilities in Microsoft SharePoint. This basically, they allow for elevation of privilege. The bulletin itself covers 6 CVEs. Again, all the bulletins are rated important, so overall lower security levels in the bulletins this month, and there's also a number of mitigating factors for all of them. So nothing really screams patch me, but I'd say if you would really want to protect your clients, roll out MS11-072 and MS11-073 as soon as possible, right? And that's going to cover the Excel and the Microsoft Office vulnerabilities. And again, don't open unexpected or suspicious files, especially if they're from a remote location. So think before you double click. In addition to the 5 bulletins, Microsoft is also releasing a non-security update for all supported versions of Windows, and this actually adds 6 additional DigiNotar root certificates to the 5 that they recently released. So this update adds the 6, and it also includes the 5 that were previously released, so you don't have to install the first one, you just have to install this update. Alright, that does it. See you next month.